A record high of 13,000 apartments are empty in Manhattan, the most in 14 years, as rent prices plummet and supply goes through the roof, with thousands fleeing New York amid ongoing COVID-19 nightmare. It's not just COVID, it's rioting. Did you guys see the video from the other night where there's random people just in the street with bullhorns blocking cars? There's no one stopping them. It is devolving into literally Escape from New York.
He's in, boys! He did it! He said it!